Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video we are going to continue with the second exercise of rational and irrational numbers. Moving on to the next question. Now compare the numbers. Over here you are given numbers and you have to compare them. They are again roots, and if you notice the root ka power is different over here. So it is 6th root of 15 and 4th root of 12. So let us write down the numbers first. 6th root of 15. Now 6th root of 15 can be written as 15 raised to 1 by 6. If it would be say 5th root of 15, then I would write it as 15 raised to 1 by 5. If it would be square root of 15, I would write it as 15 raised to 1 by 2. If it would be 10th root of 15, I would write it as 15 raised to 1 by 10. Now 4th root of 12. So it will be written as 12 raised to 1 by 4. Okay. Now 6 and 4 का LCM लेना है. You take LCM of the denominators over here. So 6 and 4 का LCM we'll factorize. 2 3s are 2 2s are. Now I'll divide by 2 again. I have 2 over here. So 2 3 is not divisible by 2. So I'll let it remain as it is. And 2 1s are 2. Now I have 3 over here. So 3 1s are. And these are the factors. So the LCM of 6 and 4 will be 2 into 2 into 3, which is going to be 12. Now I'll equalize the powers. So 6th root of 15 is equal to 15 raised to 1 by 6, which will be equal to 15 raised to 2 by 12. I have multiplied denominator, that is 6 by 2 to make it 12. Okay, because my LCM is 12. So I am making it 12 over here. I'll multiply it by 2. तो जो एक्शन डिनोमिनेटर में होता है वही सेम एक्शन यू हैव टू परफॉर्म इन द न्यूमरेटर. सो आई मल्टीप्लाइड न्यूमरेटर ऑल्सो बाय 2. सिमिलरली 4th root of 12. 4th root of 12 will be written as 12 raised to 1 by 4. 4 into 3 will give you 12. So I multiply by 3, तो numerator में भी I'll multiply by 3, so I get 3 by 12. Now the next step is the most important step. The upper number that you notice, okay, that is going to be the power which will be shifting it inside. Okay, हम लोग उसको अंदर shift करेंगे. That is, what we do is we'll write it like this: 15 square. Okay, 2 को अंदर ले लिया and 1 by 12 I'll let it remain outside. Similarly over here 12 3 है, so cube हो जाएगा and 1 by 12 will remain outside. Okay, now 15 का square, it is going to be 225 raised to 1 by 12 and 12 का cube. So let us find the value of 12 cube now. 12 cube, 12 square is 144. So 144 into 12 हो जाएगा बराबर 12 12s are 144 into 12. One more time. So 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2, and over here I'll get 144. So I'll be getting 1728. So it is 1728 raised to 1 by 12. Over here, if you notice, the powers are equal, 1 by 12, 1 by 12. And now you can compare the numbers. When the powers of the root are equal, then you can compare the numbers inside the root. So over here I have got equal powers, that is, here I have 12th root of 225 and here I have 12th root of 1728. We can easily notice that this one is a smaller number and this one is a bigger number. So comparing the two numbers, we get 12th root of 225 is lesser than 12th root of 1728. Now we'll compare the original numbers. We'll replace these numbers by original numbers. That is, 12th root of 25 is 6th root of 15, which is lesser than 4th root of 12. Moving on to the next part of the question. Square root of 24 and cube root of 35. So square root of 24 can be written as 24 raised to 1 by 2 and cube root of 35 can be written as 35 raised to 1 by 3. Now LCM of 2 and 3 is going to be 6. I'll still show you the working. 2 ones are and 3 is not divisible by 2, so it will remain as it is. 3 ones are, 2 threes are 6. So LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. Now square root of 24 is equal to 24 raised to 1 by 2. Denominator mein I want 6, so I'll multiply by 3. If I'm multiplying denominator by 3, I'll multiply numerator also by 3. So it will become 3 by 6. Over here, cube root of 35. So 35 raised to 1 by 3. I have to multiply it by 2 to make it 6. So in numerator also I'll multiply by 2. So 35 raised to 2 by 6. Now, जो upper number है, that is numerator, you will make it the power of this number and I'll separate it from the denominator. So I'll be splitting over here. So it will become 3 raised to 1 by 6 and over here 2 raised to 1 by 6. So 24 cube raised to 1 by 6. Over here you have to put the brackets because there are two numbers over here. So make sure that you put brackets and then you put the number over here, the power over here. Now over here I'll get 35 square raised to 1 by 6. Now I have calculated 24 cube and 35 square. I have skipped that part. You can just check the calculations. Now 24 cube is 13824 and 35 square is 1225. Now दोनों का power same है, so now I can compare the two numbers. Of course 13824 is bigger than 1225. So comparing the two numbers, what do we see? 6th root of 13824 is bigger than 6th root of 1225. That is, I'll replace with original numbers. 13824, it is going to be square root of 24, which is bigger than 6th root of 1225 is cube root of 35. Moving on to question number 16. insert two irrational numbers between 5 and 6. You have to insert two irrational numbers between two rational numbers. So the first step over here is going to be to express them in the root form. So I'll express these two numbers in the form of root. So 5 is equal to square root of 25 and 6 is equal to square root of 36. I have expressed them in root form since irrational numbers are basically roots of rational numbers which are not having exact value. Okay, so I have to find out roots of these numbers which exist between these two numbers. So square root of 25, square root of 36 के बीच का numbers I have to find. Now 5 is less than 6. So therefore I can say 25 is less than, square root of 25 is less than square root of 36. Now I have to find numbers between 25 and 36. So square root of 26, 27, square root of 28, even square root of 30, 32, 35, all these are going to be irrational numbers. उनका exact value नहीं पता है. So I'll write any two of these numbers between these two numbers. So considering two irrational numbers between square root of 25 and square root of 36. So I'll take, say, square root of 28 and square root of 30. Make sure they are not perfect squares. Okay, just make sure. And now I'll write down the final statement. So the two irrational numbers between 5 and 6 are square root of 28 and square root of 30. I've written down this step over here just to make sure that these numbers are existing between the given two numbers. So you have to write down this step.